Namaste, Khush raho Vidya. Today's topic is static power test and dynamic power test. Static and dynamic power test. Common physical building method used by the physiotherapist. Physiotherapists play an important role in improving the quality of life. They involve in promotion, prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation. In this article, I have mentioned few tests conducted by the physical therapist to diagnose the condition before going through the treatment part. Physical therapist is concerned with identifying and imaging quality of life and movement potential within the spheres of promotion, prevention, diagnosis, treatment, intervention, and rehabilitation. Functional tests. These are used to assess the patient need and ability with regard to the functional activity. Examples in mobility in bed transfer, ambulation, personal care, eating, dressing, washing, etc. Household or garden job, cooking, washing, swimming, lifting, work and recreation, they are carried out in patient in normal environment or in circumstances which are as nearly like it possible. Which performance is recorded as skilled, adequate and required. टेस्ट ऑफ न्यूरोमस्कुलर एफिशिएंसी इलेक्ट्रिकल टेस्ट है मैनुअल मसल टेस्टिंग है circumference मेजरमेंट है static power test. The power of static or isometric contraction may record by means of spring balance capable of registering up to 50 to 100 pounds. The extensibility of the spring within this type of balance is virtually negligible, and it can be arranged in such a way that contractions of muscles group can take place at any predetermined point within its range. Record can be made of its maximum pound age recorded of the average poundage recorded as a result of their effort made at 1 minute interval. In some instant, such as that of gripping with the hand, compression of the spring, or of a rubber shaped sphere to which a suitable pressure recording device is attached may prove convenient. Dynamic power test. This method is divided by D-Lorp and Watkins as a basis of progressive resistance exercise (PRE). The maximum weight which can be lifted once only through a prescribed range is called the one repetition maximum 10 RM, and maximum weight which can be lifted 10 times at natural speed without rest between lift is the 10 repetition maximum. Experience is estimating the approximated weight which can be lifted is essential to avoid fatigue, which results from continued trial and error and which rapidly reduce the poundage which can be lifted. Thank you.